Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you my family's favorite recipe, that is sweet and sour chicken wings. For that, here I've got 1 kilo chicken wings. The spices I'm going to use are 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 2 teaspoon brown sugar. I'm also going to use 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce or any chili sauce, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon each of ginger garlic paste. The first step involves marination of chicken wings, and for marination I'm going to use salt and black pepper, one teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and leave it to marinate for 15-20 minutes. I'm going to preheat my oven at 180 degrees centigrade. While the wings are being cooked, I'm going to start making the sauce for sweet and sour wings, and for that here I've got 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and in this oil I'm adding half a teaspoon of minced garlic. Cook it for a few seconds. Next I'm adding ketchup, chili sauce, one tablespoon soya sauce, honey, all the remaining spices, and a bit of water. Okay guys, so the sauce is ready, and here are the chicken wings. They're perfectly baked, and now I'm going to add the wings in the sauce. So on medium to high flame, we're just going to completely coat the wings with sauce. At this point you can also check the seasoning, salt and pepper if you like. And lastly, I'm going to garnish it with spring onions and some sesame seeds.